Hi everyone, welcome back to Civil the Will. In this video, I am going to explain you how to divide an area into different parts, nothing but how to divide an FMB or how to make the subdivisions in the FMB. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So before dividing an area into different parts, so first of all you should need to download this CD file. So go to the description. In the description I have given a link to download this CD file, so which is in zip file. So extract this zip file. You can able to extract this CD file. So after downloading this CD file from the description, just open the Autocad software. So this is the FMB which I have drawn, nothing but an area, a field. So I want to divide this field into three parts. So let me check the area of this field. So to find out the area of this field, we have different number of methods. Now I am using the command that is the BO command, which makes the area into a whole boundary. So with the help of BO boundary command, click on enter and it asks us here the dialog box will be open, that is the pick point. So choose this option. After that we need to pick the internal point of this polygon. So after that click on enter, so that a boundary is created. So with the help of list command LI enter, and after that we need to select this polyline object, line or field object, and click on enter. So here we can see the area is 26,783 square meters. So I have keep the units in meters so that the area is in square meters. So let me check. So let me convert the square meters into acres. So copy this area. So in AutoCAD, right click here, we can see the quick calculator. So open this quick calculator and paste the area. So now convert the square meters into acres with the help of 4047 conversion factor and click on equals to. So here we can see the area of our field is 6 acres 61 cents. So let me divide this 6 acres 61 cents into three parts. So divided by 3 and we can get the each part 2 acres 20 cents. So let me make this let me make the subdivisions in this FMB. Each part contains 2 acres 20 cents. So let me draw a reference lines. So I want to divide this FMB into three parts in horizontal direction, and this is the one part, and another part is in this direction. So this is one part, and this is the second part, and this is the third part. So you can make a subdivisions in vertical directions also like this. So in this direction you can able to make also in vertical direction. Now I want to do in horizontal direction. So after drawing this reference line, so you should need to load the file which you have downloaded. So how can we load the file? So use the command app load and click on that, and after that we should need to load the file which you have downloaded through description. So click on the CD file and here there is an option load. So here we can see that our file is successfully loaded, and just click on close. So after loading your file, so use the command cd enter. So after that it asks us to select the polyline. So this is my polyline. So click on this polyline. After that we need to select the reference line. So this is our reference line. So after that it asks us in which side you want to divide your area, whether from reference line to upside or down. So I want to divide from the reference line to downwards. So click on this side. So after that we need to give the area. So how can we give the area? So I want to divide this area 2 acres 20 cents. So we need to give the area in square meters. So 8,903 square meters, 8,903 square meters. So click on enter. So after that here there is an option yes, click on this S option, and the file is running, so wait for a few minutes. So a prompt box will be open. So this is the prompt box, so just click on OK. So the area is divided from a reference line to downward, that is 2 acres 20 cents. So let me check whether it is divided correct or not. So with the help of AA enter, so I want to find out the area. And click on enter. So here we can see the area is 8903 square meters, nothing but 2 acres 20 cent. So similarly I want to divide the same 2 acres 20 cents in this part also, on this part also. So for that we should need to make another polygon. So I am changing the color, so I am creating a polygon. So I want to divide this polygon. So let me trim this 2 lines. Okay. Now this is my reference line. So use the command cd enter, and after that we need to select the polygon. So now in this case this is my polygon. So after that we need to select the reference line. After that it asks us a side, with this reference line you want to divide upside or downside. So I want to divide in downside, so pick this side, and after that we should need to give the area, that is 8903 square meters. So after that we need to select yes. So it is running, a prompt box will be open and we have to click the OK. So here click on OK. So this part is 2 acres 20 cents. So let me check with the help of AA enter and pick the corner points. After that click on enter. So here we can see the area is 8903 square meters, nothing but 2 acres 20 cents. Just trim this 2 sides with the help of TR double enter. Trim. So this is our 2 part. So this is our 3 parts. Our second part, and this is our third part, which we have divided each part as 2 acres 20 cents. So this is how we can able to make the subdivisions in a FMB, or how to divide an area into different parts. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. So thank you so much, love you all, Jai Hind.